Hi folks, it's Vince again, and we're back with another video. And today what we're going to do is we're talking about using our search system, our gateway, to find investment properties. So whether you're looking for foreclosure, short sales, or multi-residential properties, we're going to show you how to do that. So the first thing we want to do is come up here or down here to advanced search, and then we want to look at the three different things that we can look for. We can look for foreclosures, we can look for short sales, and we can look for multifamily residential. Multifamily residential is going to be duplexes, triplexes, and quads, so anything under 4 units. Now, there's one little thing that you do need to understand. When you do a foreclosure search, that's all that it's going to put up in any specific area. So if you were to click on foreclosures and then come here to, let's say, Polk County, okay, and we're just going to leave it county-wide just so I can kind of show you, and leave it as homes and condos and not do anything else. When you do the search, whatever there is in the county that is foreclosed or that's going through foreclosure proceedings is going to come up. Okay, but it's only going to be foreclosures that'll come up. And the reason I say that is if you're looking for non-foreclosures, you may want to, or if you're looking at different types of investment properties, you may want to do one search and save one search for foreclosures, and then save, short sales or, multifamily residential search for, something else. So anyways, so you've got the foreclosure search here. You can also do a search by county or by city or by area for short sales. So if you click on short sale, and let's leave it at Sarasota, and we'll leave all. Now you can look and see what homes or condos are going through short sale proceedings. And you'll notice that it'll say short sale, somewhere's on the listing. It should say it in the description itself. That's kind of a rule. And so now you have that, and then let's go back to advanced search and do a quick, let's see here. Let's go to Hillsborough County, and let's do a quick multi-residential search. Okay. And let's see what we can find here. And so now you have different homes that are either apartment buildings, apartments, duplexes, triplexes, quads. This is going to give you a little bit better, separation for what you're going to be looking for as far as investment properties. So what you really want to do, in my opinion, is create one search for foreclosures, one search for short sales, and then one search for multi-residential sales. And the reason for that is so that you can look at the different opportunities that are out there. If you're just looking at maybe income from a duplex or a triplex, a quad, or if you're looking at flipping, or if you're looking at just buying something cheap, turning around and wholesaling it, however you want to do things, you have a lot of opportunities, a lot of options here to find good bargains. Be very careful about the bargains that you look for. Some of them aren't really bargains. You really need to know what you're going to be, kind of up against. There could be some liens, whether it's mechanic liens or tax liens that are kind of in the background, so be careful with that. And if you need any help with any of this, of course, you can call Cindy and I, and we'll be more than happy to kind of walk you through it. But you now have a little bit better way of using all of this to help search for properties that that you might be able to invest in. So that's very simply how to do this. And if you've watched the other videos, then you know how to get along with all of the different choices. And now you can kind of add foreclosures, short sales, and multifamily residential to your criteria, and look at things that way. So hope this helps, and we'll look forward to seeing you in another video.